Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. It's your girl Tahnee Campbell. For those of you who don't know me, if you are new here, girl, have a seat. You're gonna enjoy this channel. Today we are doing a get ready with me. Not that I'm going anywhere because there's nowhere to go, but I'm feeling cute today. So for the first time on this channel, I'm doing a get ready with me. Enjoy. By the way, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for the love on my last video. I'm gonna put it right here so you could click on it if you haven't already seen it. It's me doing an interview with my sister, the yoga teacher. So if you guys are into yoga and you're not too sure where to start, or you have some questions, but you might want to click on that video and get to learn a bit more about it before you actually do it. See if it's something that's for you, which it is. Yoga's for everybody. You're gonna love it. I love it. Yeah. Doesn't matter your age, shape, size, or anything like that. Oh, and second of all, you guys, if you haven't already watched the video, this video here, I'm wearing that hair. So it started out in a ponytail and I decided to do a sew-in on myself. You guys, I really wanted to get it over with quickly and it was hard to record and do my own hair at the same time. But this is a sew-in from that beautiful hair that I had. You guys, one more spin for you, one more spin. Oh, you guys see this hair? Sorry, I'm so bubbly today. I'm in a good mood. Anyways, without further ado, let's get this video on the road. Yes. So for those of you who don't know, I do not wear a lot of makeup at all. But today, we're going to do a little something, something. You guys, I don't do the whole foundation thing. I don't do the whole primer. I just don't do all that. So I'm just going to do a really basic look. I'm going to put on some eyelashes. Some hair glue.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck.
So,
I've been too hurt before. You're not that special. Just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you.
Yo, if you can put on lashes and not open your mouth while you're doing it, you're a pro. Again. Cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your. I think I went a little heavy and my eyes can't open.
It was at this moment he knew.
There we go. Ooh. Okay. I really like these eyelashes a lot. Anyways, that's that. Next on the list. I really like these eyelashes. It's some eyeshadow. I'm just gonna go real basic. Y'all, I don't come for me in the comment section, please, because I am by no means a makeup artist at all. And I'm honestly not going anywhere. I'm gonna start with a little bit of white. Your girlfriend, yeah, and I never wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. my eyebrows. Okay, I don't do the... Anyways, everybody has a different preference when it comes to the eyebrows. Is this the right one? I don't like mine super thick. I mean, I already don't have eyebrows. This is from L'Oreal. But I really like this one. I just like to fill mine in, that's it. See, that's enough for me. That's more than enough for me. Ooh, that's more than enough for me. Okay, and then last but not least, my favorite lipstick. Usually I just put a little glitter lip gloss on top of this to add to the sparkle and shine and to kind of tone down the red. So yes, y'all, this was my yesterday look. Yesterday my eyebrows were looking, my eyelashes were looking so much better, but it's okay. So that is my look. Anyways, this was just a little brief short video. I really hope you guys liked it. Again, please don't come for me. I am by no means a makeup artist. Anyways, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. And yeah, this was just a little quick get ready with me. Get ready to go absolutely nowhere. But you know, I hope you guys like this video. It is so out of my my element, but I tried. I just tried to do a little something different for you guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button up there, please. I hope you guys watch the whole video. If you want more content like this or other content, please feel free to subscribe down below and join the family. I really want to grow this. Anyways, guys, I've kept you long enough. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked my video. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Don't forget, be bold, be brave, be blessed, be kind, be loving, be caring, be beautiful, and be safe. I love you so much. And I will see you next time on my next video. Peace.